The eligibility criteria for the Axis Finance personal loan is designed for salaried individuals. To qualify, applicants should have a monthly income of more than 40 rupees thousand for category A and B and 50,000 for category C and D, be between the ages of 21 and 58, and possess a CIBIL score above 650. If eligible, applicants can avail themselves of a loan amount ranging from 1 lakh rupees to 50 lakh rupees. The rate of interest is between 14% to 16% on a reducing basis. Loan tenure options extend from 12 months up to 60 months. A processing fee of 1% to 3% of the loan amount is applicable, and foreclosure charges amount is 4% plus GST after 1 month. Part payments is allowed after 1 month 25%. The processing mode is fully online. Additionally, applicants should have a minimum of 3 years of employment with their current employer and at least 3 months of continuous salary deposits. The loan service covers all locations across India. A unique selling point, USP, also called a unique selling proposition, will funding to all company employee. As for salary mode, applicants receiving their salaries via NEFT, RTGS, or direct company transfer are eligible. However, individuals employed as an employee whose salary is received in cash and UPI, NRI applicant, -1 CIBIL applicant, employee working with proprietorship firm, partnership firm, LLP, employee working with jewelers, police, defense, hotel, MCD 4th grade, advocate, spa and saloon, malls, real estate gym, delivery boys, NGO, bartender, taxi driver, any employed director who is shareholder in company. Applicant receiving salary in tranches. The required documentation includes application form PAN card, Form 60, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID, bank statement, rent agreement, telephone bill, water bill, gas bill, bank statement of 3 months, company ID proof offer letter.